Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we will see what is the default value of Boolean variable in Java. So in general, what happens is if we declare a variable, something like this Boolean flag, then we generally assign it some value. For Boolean, we have generally two values, that is either it will be true or it will be false. So in this case, if we don't assign it any value and it remains unassigned, in that case what happens is compiler assigns it certain value by itself, and that value is known as default value. So here we have not assigned any value and we are trying to access that particular variable flag in this print value method, and we are trying to print the value of that particular variable, but it will print the default value, and that is what we want to find. What is the default value assigned to it? So in case the variable is in default demo int and the method is also in default demo int, so in that case if you want to call the method print value from this tutorials in hand class main method, we need to create the object of this particular class, right? So let's give it a name reference. You can give it any name, ref, demo, your name, or whatever you want, and then invoke constructor using new keyword, and thus we have done this, and thus object is created for default demo int. Now we will use this reference variable that we have created to call the print value method by invoking dot operator, and this is how we are going to call the method. Now if you press Ctrl and then hover your mouse over this print value and click on it, it will take you to the place which is getting called, and this is the method which is getting called from this line number 16. That means line number 7 is getting called, and once it is called, it will enter inside the body of this method and execute the task that is mentioned within this particular method. Here what we are doing is we are simply printing the value of the variable flag, and in the whole process this flag variable is unassigned. That means it is not assigned any value by the creator of the program. So now if we execute it, we will see the default value that is assigned to it. Now you see the default value false is getting printed, and this proves that Boolean variable will bear the value false if it is not assigned any value. To be sure, let's make one more Boolean variable and let it also be unassigned. We are naming it flag1. Just try to print its value as well. Just make it flag1 and just change this statement so that we are able to differentiate the output. Now if we execute, you see now we are getting two output. The first one is coming for the flag variable, and this is showing value is false, right? Something like this value is, and then the value of flag variable is getting printed here, and the second one is coming from here. Value of flag 1 is, which is printed, and then the value of flag 1 is getting printed at this place. So both are false, and it indicates that the Boolean variable will bear the value false. Now what if we make the variable static and also change this to static? Now in this case, since the method is static, now we don't require object to call it. We can directly call by invoking dot operator on the class name. Means you can simply take the class name and invoke dot on it, and you will see that you will be getting suggestion that you can call print value, and now we have called it like this. So this is the static way of calling the static method, right? So whenever you are working on any project, you may face two situations. You may have to call static or a non-static method. So if it is a static method that you want to call of any particular class, just call it in this way by invoking dot operator directly on the class name without creating any object. But our main concern is to see whether the value of this flag, that means Boolean variable, will change or not if we change it to static. So let's execute and see whether the value false is getting changed or not. It does not change. That means whether the Boolean variable is static or non-static, it does not matter. The value will always be false if it is going to be the default value for the Boolean variable. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.